Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable BigQuery authorized views for safer analytics step by step clearly. To enable BigQuery authorized views for safer analytics, start by logging into your Google Cloud Platform account. Navigate to the BigQuery console in the Google Cloud Console. Select the project that contains the dataset you want to use for your authorized views. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on BigQuery. Next, find the dataset that contains the data you want to share. Click on the dataset name to open its details. In the Dataset Details pane, locate and click on Sharing. Now, click on Add Principal. In the New Principals field, enter the email address of the user or group you want to grant access to. For the role, select BigQuery Data Viewer. Next, click Save to apply the changes. Once access is granted, you need to create an authorized view. Return to the BigQuery console and find the dataset where you want to create the view. Click Create View in the Dataset pane. In the query editor, write the SQL query that you want to use to define your view. Make sure the query returns only the data you intend to share. Click on Save View to save your authorized view. In the Create a View dialog, provide a name and description for your view. Before saving, ensure you check the option Allow selective access to this view. Now, you can share this view with users needing access to specific data. Return to the Dataset Details and click on Sharing again. Add the email addresses of the users or groups that require access to this view. Select the appropriate roles you want to assign to them. Click Save to finalize the access permissions for the view. You have now successfully enabled authorized views in BigQuery. This setup helps ensure that sensitive data is kept secure while allowing for analytics access. Monitor and update permissions as necessary to maintain data security. You can now run queries against the authorized view to analyze the data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.